Today, Hoover and I are taking a drive down into Redondo, Washington, which is outside of Federal Way and technically part of Des Moines. Any direction you go, it's always a nice drive down into Redondo. One direction is a very windy road, one's a nice shady tree-lined road, but it's always nice going down into Redondo. The biggest problem here at Redondo is parking. Parking sucks. And they have a pay parking over there. Because, of course, you're not going to find any other parking. There's the Marine Science and Technology Center, which is open to the public on Saturdays. The time's fairly far out today, so it's a good time to come down here. We got parking. There's all kinds of parking spots opening up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you want to go down on the beach? Oh, look at that. You can actually go down on the beach now. Last time I was here, you couldn't. Well, you could. It was just not easy. So this is the Mast Center. Now on Saturdays it has a free aquarium. Not a very big aquarium, but it's free. One things have changed a lot since I've been here. I used to metal detect here frequently back before they closed the pier. It's nice to see they've decided to build a new one. The Mast Center looks like it's kind of not in the best shape underneath. How long this is going to last. Yeah, we got lots of smells to deal with down here. Oh, oh look, ducks. We like ducks. Come on. No, you're not going to go chase the ducks. Come on. No, you're not going to chase the ducks. Come on, this way. I don't know what the little sign over there says. Come on. It used to be a very popular fishing pier, and then during COVID they closed it. And never opened it back up. Now there's a sign that says they're going to replace it. We must have naturalists down here. Naturalists get upset with people for metal detecting. And there's not much left to find. Well, you never know. You never know. Kind of wish I'd brought my metal detector. There's a few passes with Hoover here. See where we can find it. Really Really nice views. If you look really hard, you can see Saltwater Park down there and the marina. Go ahead. I guess this is probably the biggest reason they are replacing the pier. There's nothing left holding it up. This is a popular place to go diving and of course launch your boat. They used to have docks all along here, but now they've only got that one little bit of a dock. Look, one. One. How long do you want to go swimming today? A little rough. I don't know why it's so rough. Come on. I don't think you need to get up there. Hey, where are you going? Come on. Where are you going? I'm not going that way. Come on. Come on, get some. Come on. Yeah. This way. Come on. Come on. I know I'd like to let you run, but it's just too many people around. Redondo has this big seawall and a really nice boardwalk. Not boards anymore though, it's concrete, but it's a walk. It is a nice one. You can see all the scenics, which are quite in abundance here. Come on. Oh, hi! You wanna go meet the other corgi? Come on, this way. We'll go meet the other corgi. Come on. Yeah, he speaks your language, huh? Come on. Come on. You just gotta go up the steps. Come on, up the steps. Here we go. Come on. Hey, you're going the wrong way. He got so excited. Hello, puppy.
Is yours a boy or a girl?
Boy. How about
Oh,
yours?
his name is Yoshi. Yoshi.
Yoshi, like the video game.
Yeah. Did you sign him up for the Corgi races in Auburn?
I wanted to, but I'm working.
Oh. I signed him up and I did the lottery yesterday and there was just so many corgis. There was like 250 corgis I signed up. He didn't make it.
He didn't make it?
How old is he?
He's going to be 3 at the end of July. How about yours? Yoshi?
He's 8 months.
8 months? Oh. He's probably fast too, isn't he? Loves to run. So I wanted to sign him up this year, but I have to work. Yeah, we made a new friend, huh? Yeah, see? He just wants to play. I'm not sure Yoshi plays like you. Hello, Yoshi.
Thank you for letting us know.
Huh?
Thank you for letting me say hi.
Thank you. Come on, let's go. Come on, no, leave it. Yeah. Come on. Let's let you run free a little bit. I think we're safe right now. You're going to tell me Yoshi, huh? You're going to have to wait a second. I know. You can see the people up there, huh? Keep going. We're going to the ladder and then we're stopping. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, this way. Come here. Come here. Now turn around. There you go. Okay, that's as far as we're going. Hopefully the dragon wants to meet me, but I'm not sure we can do that. Come on, we're going home. We're going back. I gotta work on the truck. Keep going. What? Come on. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, get down. Well, let's go up the stairs. Yeah. Oh, look at you go. I can really use a rest. This way. This way. Come on. Come on. A few years ago, there were a couple of shootings down here that might have contributed to closing it at night. It was very popular to fish this place at night. But the park started getting some unsavory people, and seeing all their shootings. Let's go see if we can sit on that bench. Come on, come on. This way. Come on, this way. This way. Come on. Come on. I'm going to sit on that bench right there.
Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. It's a porky. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy.
Hi.
Hi, doggy.
Good boy, he's talking to you. Good boy, ready to go home? Ready to go home? Come on, let's go home. Home. Come on, let's cross the street. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. So, that's pretty much Redondo in a nutshell. There's a nice beach. There's a nice boardwalk, so it's nice to even walking without having to walk in the sand. There's a little snack stop, coffee shop, where you can get ice cream and sit on the benches and just watch. That's nice. I like that. And there's the Mass Center, which is a very small aquarium. Free to the public on Sunday mornings, I think. And a restaurant called Salty's, where you can either sit on the deck or you can pick up at the window and have a little picnic on the beach. There's Salty's. And that's about it.